The third interfacing example is interfacing analog to digital converters. Analog to digital converters are going to take the analog voltage levels as their input and converts into its equivalent discrete digital signals. There are a number of analog to digital converters available in the market, and the one that we are going to interface now is ADC0816. It is an 8-bit successive approximation type ADC chip, and here it is having built-in analog multiplexer, and there are 16 analog channels connected to this ADC0816, and we need to select one out of 16 from which the input is going to be converted into an 8-bit binary data, and that binary data has to be read by the microprocessor. So now we are going to connect this ADC to the 8086 microprocessor by the 8255 ports. Port A is used to send the output or send the control select lines and related control signals to the ADC, and port B is used to read the digital data from the ADC to the microprocessor, and port C is used to check whether the end of conversion is over or not. So now we can see the diagram, the ADC interfacing diagram. In this diagram, we can see that the port A is connected with the selection lines A, B, C, D. So since there are 16 input channels, IN0, IN1 and IN15, so we need to select from which input line we are going to read. So from via port A, the first 4 pins, PA0, PA1, PA2 and PA3, the microprocessor sends the number. So a 4-bit binary number is sent. Since to select one out of 16, we need a 4-bit binary code. So if you are going to select IN0, it has to have values 0, 0, 0, 0 for ABCD input, and for 1 it will be 0, 0, 0, 1. Like that we have 4 bits providing 16 combinations. Line 15 is selected when ABCD value is all ones. And it is also going to give. So after what the microprocessor is going to give is, first it is going to give the lines, and then it is going to give the signal, ALE signal, which is used to tell start of conversion. So if we pass the line, for that line the analog input is received by the ADC, and that is going to be converted into its equivalent digital form. An 8-bit binary code is generated. So after generating the code, it is going to give so after giving the start conversion and operation enable, after conversion is over, the ADC is going to generate the signal end of conversion. So end of conversion signal is coming from the ADC to the 8255 ports via PC0. So on receiving the end of conversion process, now the microprocessor is going to read the data from the data bus. That is the data is coming via the port B. So that means now we need to configure port B for input mode, port A and port C for output mode. So this is what we are going to do for interfacing with the analog to digital converter. So first we need to write the control word. The control word register, as usual, we can take 46H for control word register, 40H for port A, 42H for port B, and 4H for port C. So now appropriately we are going to write these commands and then read the data from the analog to digital converter. Thank you.